Use all of these to sketch a quadratic. What's the y-intercept? Negative 15. So y-intercept, when x equals 0, y equals negative 15. The y-intercept is 0, negative 15. Where it intercepts the x-axis, so what is equal to 0?
Y.
Y equals 0. This is where we use the null factor law. So we're going to have to do what?
0 equals x.
We're going to have to, starts with f, the f word, factorize. What are the two numbers that multiply to get 15 and add to get negative 2?
Oh wait, yeah.
The two numbers
5 and 3.
5 and 3, one of them has to be negative.
Negative 5.
Required. So we know x is 5 and x is 3, negative 3.
Most parents don't just go, yeah, we're having a kid. They just go, oh crap,
We got a kid afterwards, so put that suction cup somewhere else.
Alright, and then you've got the intercepts.
Oh, simple brain.
5 in brackets squared. What would it look like, do you think? One more. Determine the equation for this sketch. So what does the sketch tell us? Does anyone know? Yep.
the turning point is negative 1, negative 4. Like you do a comma.
What else does it tell us?
There are two x-intercepts,
Yep, what are the x-intercepts?
negative 3 and 1.
We've got when y is 0, negative 3, and positive 1. So we could use either of these two to find it. So using this, it's just the opposite of what we just did. What would it be?
Y equals
X,
Yeah, x plus 3.
x plus 3 minus 1.
square.
Does that make sense?
Yes, that does.
So it does make sense. Thank you, sir.
So here,
You're welcome.
Parabola, blah, blah,
What the hell is a parabola?
The curving.
remember the null factor law?
Null equals 0.
blah. Null is nothing.
Yeah.
So then either these are 0, so then x equals negative 3. Yeah?
Hit the both vector law.
Alright, copying that down. Then we expand the brackets.
Yes, I know, sir.
Okay, what is the h?
Horizontal.
2.
2.
I mean, H could be.
TP.
Horizontal.
Oh, yeah.
It's been moved down. Moved across.
1.
And it's been moved
Down.
out, see if we get the same thing. Please stop.
Wait. 1.
Whoops.
1. Yes. Big brain time. Big brain
Oh,
time.
whoa, you get
So
this.
x squared, yeah, x squared.
Two different ways you can find it. You either use the turning point and use the turning point formula, or you use the intercepts, the x-intercepts. Yep.